Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the slice operator. Before going to discussing the slice operator, we have to see the some methods like len functions like len function, ord function, chr function, max, max, and min and shorted function. These six function we will see the today itself, and and after this we will go to the slice operator. First one is len function. Len function is going to return the length of the character or a number of characters present in the string. Going to return the number of characters present in the string. If suppose we can take the username is equals to some John. If you try to print the username length of username, it will give the four characters like this. If you take this example and here and execute the function called python test.py, we got the answer is 4. If you want to print that username also, we can print username python test.py. Like this len function will give the length of the length of the string or any data type, any sequence data type. We will see other data types how we will use that len function. Now we will observe that suppose we can take that another data like another letter like something like email address. I will give that john dot m123, like take one number 6 at the rate of gmail.com. If suppose you have to print this one length of email like this, we will see email equals to, or I will copy paste that one. Copy paste this one and save and python test.py. I got that 17 is the answer for the length of the email address. 17. This one is a 17 characters or 17 is the length of this. ORD. ORD function will returns the Unicode characters. ORD function will return the Unicode number or Unicode value of the given character. If suppose I given that capital A or a small a, capital A, if I given as a capital A, the Unicode character of the capital A is like 65. Like that, if you give the small a, the Unicode character is that some 97, I think so. Like this 0, if you give that 48 is the Unicode character, we will see it will going to return the Unicode or ASCII also we can call as ASCII characters of the given character. If suppose I have to print char of a, capital A, if I print that ORD of print of ORD of CHR like this, it will return the 65 is the answer for this. 65 is the Unicode character. Like this, if suppose you can take that small a, I got the 97 is the answer. Like this, if you take the capital Z, I got the 90 is the answer for that capital Z. Suppose take the small z, 122 is the Unicode character of the small z. Like if suppose take that 0, I will give that number. It's okay. Itself leave it, guys. It is the 40th is the Unicode value of the 0. Like this, if you take that 8 or 9, the 9, 56 is the Unicode character of the Unicode value of the 8. Like this, we will get the Unicode value of such CHR. CHR is going to return the character from the given Unicode value. Unicode value or number. Unicode value of number. Suppose you can take that num is equals to, suppose you can take that something like 57 print of CHR of num. If we take like this, it is a 9, that 9 character we will get. We will see that output. Something, I think so. Not in character, it is num only. Python test.py 9 we got. Suppose take that in reverse, 122. I got the small z. Like this, 120. Save and execute once again. I got x. Like this, take the 100. B I got. Take the 75. K I got. Like this. It is the reverse of the ORD function. Like this, ORD function will return the character to Unicode character. CHR will return the number to, not this quotations. It is directly number only, number to character. Like this. Max is function. Max will return the maximum Unicode value character. Uh, Maximum Unicode value character it will return. Suppose I will write it. The theory part later I will. It return the maximum from ASCII or Unicode ASCII value character. Suppose we can take string. Suppose string is equals to John. Print of max of John. Print of max of John. If suppose save this one and print, we will get the O is the max character for that. For this, I will write one more code here. Instead of implementing the directly ORD of every character, I will write ORD of username of 0. Like this, I will write. You will observe which one is the, I think 4 only. This one is 3, this one is 2, this one is 1. Like this. This one is ORD of 0. This one is 1. This one is second character. This one is third character. Like this, we will see the output. J Unicode value is 106.0. Like O Unicode value is 111. H Unicode value is 104. N Unicode value is 110. Like O is the maximum Unicode value. That's why we are getting that O. If suppose print like this same, like you can take that, it will it will return the minimum ASCII value character from given string given string from given string. So suppose take that username always same John. If I print that min of username, if I print that min of username, you will see instead of that max, you will see that min. I got the H is the minimum out of these four out of these four ASCII are Unicode values. Like this we will get. Another one is the last one is shorted. Shorted, it will return the list of character. It will return the list of characters from in the list of characters ascending order from given string. If you take that username of John, if you print that shorted of username, it will give that list. In this, it will print that four strings in the form of ascending order. First one, I think so. H later, uh, later, first one, I think so. H later J later N later O. We will see that answer. Shorted of username HJNO. We got the answer like this. There is a one more is there. We can print that reverse also. In this we have to pass that reverse equals to true. True. It will print. It will return the list of characters list of ASCII characters. Thus, sorry, I have written that ASCII. This is the ascending order. Ascending order. This is the descending order. Order from given string. Characters descending order. It will print if you suppose take that username is equals to same John. If you print that shorted of username, it will print from reverse. That first one is biggest, later it is n, later it is J, later it is H. Like this it will print. Take the same example only and keep the one pass the one parameter an attribute called or argument called reverse true and execute the function called onjh like this. That common functions of the string common functions for the string is completed. Later is a string slicing operator. This operator is used to divide that string into different parts like this. Syntax, it will divide the string into smaller parts or smaller pieces. Sir, pieces. Parts or pieces. Syntax like suppose the string is equals to some test, some test. It will gives that output like start, s of start, end, and step. Start is start is start is start comma end minus one and step. Here end is like it will print the start from start to end minus one only. Step is it may be that negative direction or positive direction. If you give that one, it will forward direction. If you give that minus one means negative direction. By default, step value is one. If you did not give that step value, I will write here. If step value is minus one, positive one, positive one, one by default, start value 0 and end value is first start value is 0 and value is length minus 1. If step value is minus 1, by default start value is minus 1 and end value is up to first, up to length up to length, negative length. We will see examples. We will see examples directly here only. Suppose you can take that username or name. I will take directly name. Name is equals to Johnson. Before going to see that, we will see. I will write one diagram here. Suppose John O H N S O N like this. From positive direction, this is starts from the 0 indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 6. I think this is minus 7. We will take one space also. This is minus 6. This is minus 5. This is minus 4. This is minus 3. this is -2, this is -1. Like this it is taking from. This is a negative direction is a positive, negative indexing, this is a positive indexing. To indexing, this is a negative indexing. If you have to see this, I will write one example, one state. Print of name of, if you take like this, it will print that whole string. Use whole string Johnson. Like this, you execute the code. Johnson. If you want some part, I want only John. Like that, you have to take, you have mentioned that first character is 0 to up to this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. If you mention 3 means, we will see that output. If you mention the 3 means, we will see like J O H like this. It will give. If instead of we will mention 3, we mention that 4, we will get the John is the output. We will see the output also. Johnson, this is a John. I will comment this first one. Should have that John. If I want the John instead of John, I will did not specify or not specify the first element, and I will only specify the 4 only. See the output John only. Comment this one and again execute John only. That by default this one is a z. By default this one is 0. If in that positive direction, in the positive direction, if you want to see, if you want to print that name of, I'm going to print only sun. Sun means you have to take that 4 onwards. 4 to 6 means it will get only SO. Yeah, SO. So we will see that output also. 4 to 6. So instead of taking that 6, I have to take that 7. Sun. I have, if you want to, leave also, you can leave. Sun only. No problem. I want to take another one. Like I want to take in these 3 characters 2, 3, 4. If you want to take the 3 characters only, name of 2 to 5. If you take like this HNS, we will get Python test.py HNS. I will comment this 3 and execute again. HNS. We have to. I will execute one more printf with using the 1, specifying the step is 1. 2 to 5. If you mention that, if you try to give that 1 also, we got HNS only. Instead of giving that 1, if I give that 2 to 5, 2 to 5, step is 2. If you take that 1 step here, 1 means 1 step, like it is following that 1 step, 1 to 2, like adding that 1. If you take the 2 is 2 steps, like 1 2, like it will going to the 3 only. Suppose you can take that from 1 to 5. If you taking the step is 2, try to execute this one, you will get some idea. O N, like this. O, not getting that H, directly going to the two step N. Like if you take that one more step, like a leaving the 4, and O means here 5, up to 5 only, up to 5 means up to 4 only, and minus 1, like this. Like this, if you take that name of 0 to 5 into 3, if you take this one, step 3, I got Jn. Suppose Jn means it's starting from the J0, taking the 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, going to the N, like this. After that, it will going to the one more, again 3, again adding the 3 and the third step, like, but it is up to 6 only, up to 5 only. 5 means 4, 5 minus 1, 4. That's why it is stopping. You are getting that Hn only, Jn only. Step means here incrementing, like this. If you take that negative direction also, suppose I will give that name minus 1, we will get that, we will see that output. We will see that output of reverse of the string, given string. The reverse of the given string, like John, N O S N H O J, like this we will get. If anybody asks that write the reverse of the string, you will go with this name of column minus 1, N O S N J O J, N H O J. If you write from reverse of 1 to, I'm giving that reverse means if you have to print that reverse only, minus 5 to minus 2 minus 1. If you give this one, we will get from minus 5 means here onwards, up to minus 2 means minus 2, but we are getting up to HNS, like this. I think I did not save the file. Yes. Why I'm not getting that answer? Minus 5, minus 2, H, minus 2, minus 5 to minus 2. Why I didn't getting that answer? Name of minus 5, HNO. Oh, sorry guys. Like this, minus 1 means it will taking from minus, from reverse, not from forward direction also, from reverse direction. We have to give minus 2 to minus 5. This is getting that previously empty string. If you see OSN, like this, from minus 2 to minus 5. Minus 5 means up to 4, minus 4 only. Like this, from backward direction always we are it will taking OSN. If you want to print that name of my, if you leave first string, and if you give that minus 4, and if you give that minus 1, it will taking from the by default from minus 1 onwards up to minus 4 means 3. NOS we are getting, see that output, NOS we are getting, NOS, like this. If you take the one more example called, I am taking from minus 3 onwards, I am leaving the end, I am getting the minus 1. Minus 1 is the step. I'm getting that. See once, try to comment this one and into this one. From getting that S and John, I'm getting from reverse, but S is appending from here. From -3 to up to and like up to the last element like minus 7. If you print same only, but I'm giving that -2 is increment is -2 from -3 to I'm leaving that end value, but I'm giving the step is -2. I'm getting that SHJ. From here onwards, as I'm getting one step, like what two steps it taking H, I'm getting two steps it getting J, like this. If you take that three steps also, -3 to giving that hand value and giving that -3. SO, I'm getting SO only. Yes, leaving the two, leaving the go directly going to third step, like one step, two step, three step, go. Leaving after third step, after one step there is no element. That's why it is stopping that SO only. SO, this is SO, this is SHJ. Like this, we will analyze the answers from the slice operator. There is n ways we can do. Uh, uh, n ways we can do. Like and now, if anybody asks that what is the reverse of the given string, if you try to give the name of column -1 means it will give the reverse of the string, or you can give the like this also -1 to column. I'm leaving that end value and giving the -1. This will also give the same. If you don't know that end value, we can give the start value and we can leave this, or we can give minus of length of minus of length of uh, minus of length of name. Like this, we will see we will get output or not. Missed J, I think so. Length one add. We will take that one more. We will take one more. Minus of length of name plus 1. We got the same answer for this also. Reverse of the comment is reverse of string. Anybody ask reverse of the string means we can give that these three waves, or leave one more way is name of, leave first one and give that length of name plus 1 column -1. -1 is must and should. If you did not give the -1, it will print from forward direction onwards, like this. We will see without giving that -1. We will see one this example without giving the -1. We are getting that empty string. This one is empty string. This one is empty string means if you empty string means it one is automatically take the 0 0, but it is giving that 0 to minus minus. It is length of name is 7, length of this one is 7 characters, 7 characters plus 1 8, minus 8 means it will go into this direction, but back of minus 0 0 to minus 8 is not there. uh this one but that we are giving step is giving step according to the step value. It is follow giving the step is positive 1 automatically by default. If you did not give the any step value, it will take that automatically 1 plus 1 is the step value. Plus 1 is the step value, automatically it will goes to the this cursor is goes to the forward only. But by minus 8 is not there here, that's why it is not getting the answer. Instead of getting that answer, you are getting that empty string only. You will getting that empty string only. We have to write like this, and we have to trace the answer from this, guys. I have forgot the one thing, guys. We will do the from actually in this direction also we can print from minus 5 to minus 3. We can see like one example, like one or two example. If you want to print from minus 5 to minus 5 to minus 4 minus 3 like this, we can print also like that also. You will see name of minus 5 to minus 3. Instead of giving that minus 1, if you give that minus 1 means, if you give that minus 1 means it will print an empty string only. But instead of giving that minus 1 or 1, you can give that 1. It will print H and C. Now you can take that minus 2 also instead of 3. Minus 2 HNS HNS. I will put the name of minus 5 column minus 2. I will give, I will not give anything. I will not give anything means it will take that 1 only. It will also print HNS. If you want to print negative numbers with positive direction like a forward direction, you can use directly minus 5 minus 4 minus 2 minus 5 to minus 2 means it will print up to that minus 3 like this. If you analyze the things, we must and should draw this diagram in my mind or in paper. Later we can analyze from this direction, from this diagram to how it will print. Have a nice day, friends. Practice these all things, and do more practice on the this slice operator. Thank you, friends.